Hey, what's up guys? My name is Dan Coconati, and today we're going to be taking a look at the song called Vampire Diaries by Machine Gun Kelly. This song is in standard tuning, so that means your strings are going to be E, A, D, G, B, and E. So get yourself a tune, and then we're going to get started on this lesson. Alright, introduction and really the main riff of this song. So, the beginning of the song, and I mean this riff actually kind of continuously plays throughout it, but it's going to be starting on your 5th fret of the A string, okay? So 5th fret, and then 7th fret of your D, okay? And then you're going to be barring and getting this 5th fret of the B, and so you got, and then you finish it with the 6th fret of the G. So 5, 7, 5, 6. Oh, excuse me. Okay. And then the second part of that is you're going to lift this pointer finger up, and then it's going to be open of the A string. So open, 7th of the D, and then 5th of the B, and then 6th of the G. So you got okay. Next part is going to be a 7th fret of the A, 7th fret of the D, 5th again of the B, and then 6th of the G. So it's going to sound like this. Okay, so all together. And then the final part of this is you bring that up. Now you're on the 9th fret of the A, then 7th fret of your D. So okay, and then what is that next note? That's going to be a 9 of the G. So, and then it just goes right back to the 7th of the D. So the last part is 9, 7, 9, 7. So all together, the whole riff. Hopefully that's making sense. All right, verse and chorus of this song. So the verse is going to be, you're just playing single notes, palming it. So a palm mute is when you take the palm of your hand, rest it on your strings, and you're still playing the note. So that would be that's a regular open note, and that's a palm mute. Okay, so the verse, again, so you're starting off 5th fret of the A, palming, and then it goes to the 5th fret of the E, again, singular notes, so 5, 5 of the E, open, and then 2nd fret, right here, okay, and then it repeats. You can quite literally play the verse of this song with, just your pointer finger if you really want. But again, so 5, 5 of the E, open of the E, 2nd of the E. Okay, so after the verse, we get, the chorus kicked off there, so it goes right into the... Okay, so the chorus... Literally, what you're going to be doing, instead of just playing a singular note and palming it, you're going to be playing the full power chord, but these are all open, and you're just free strumming these pretty much. So that's a 5th fret power chord of your A to a 5th fret power chord of your E. Okay, and then you're going to be playing an E minor. Okay, and that's just open of the E, 2nd fret of your A, 2nd fret of your D. Okay, and then a 2nd fret power chord of your E string. Okay, so 5, 5, open, 2nd, 5, 5, and that is your chorus. Alright, so the bridge of the song, real easy. It just kind of repeats during this part here. So it's going to be a 7th fret of your D, and then 5th fret of the B to a 6th fret of the G. That's the first part. Okay, and then the second part of it is just 4th fret of your D, and then you're going to hit the 5th fret of the B again to the 6th fret of the G. All together. And then it repeats. Alright, until you get back into the chorus. So the outro of the song is quite literally you're repeating the chorus and the main riff, but they kind of stack them. But just so you're clear, it's going to be the main chorus riff again. And then you could be playing that until the end of the song, or I think that they do kind of loop over this with the, a second guitar with the So again, that riff that we learned earlier, they also kind of play that on the way out. So you can kind of do whatever you want with it, but again, it's just playing those chorus chords with the main riff looped over it as well. So that really is the outro and the remainder of the song there. Thank you guys so much for watching this guitar tutorial on Machine Gun Kelly's Vampire Diaries. If you enjoyed this lesson and it helped you learn the song, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and be ready for more future guitar videos. Thanks.